Welcome to Saturday, the 8th of June, 2020 for Quizz. Are you ready? Let's start. How many Dreamliners does TUI Airways UK have? A10, B14, C20, E13. How many Boeing 787-9 Dreamliners does TUI have? A14, B8, C for D5. How bigger are the 787 Dreamliner windows compared to your normal size aircraft? A 50% bigger B, 30% bigger C, 20% bigger D, 70% bigger. How many engines does the 787 have? A2B for C7, D3. What engines do British Airways 787 have? A Rolls-Royce Trent 1000B, General Electric GE90C, Pratt & Whitney PW4 OOD Ferry Dust Magic engines. What is the current longest flight by the Boeing 787? A. London Heathrow to Perth, B. Perth to Los Angeles, C. New York to Perth, D. London Heathrow to Los Angeles. What is the 787 competitor? A. Airbus 321, B. Airbus 330, C. Airbus 350, D. Airbus 319. How many passengers can the 787-9 carry? A. 400, B. 290, C. 300, D. 50. How many wheels does the 787 have in total? A. 15, B. 20, C. 10, D. 9. Gisbla is what aircraft type? A Boeing 747 to 400, B. 787 to 8, C. 787 to 10, E. Airbus A380. Thank you for watching. How did you get on? Comment down below.